Buenos dias. আমার কথাটা কি শোনা যাইতেছে? I don't know if it's a raw. It's going from an XLR directly to the and আমার PC crash করলো. Good job, Windows. You crash like every 5 minutes or something. Anyway, আমার কেন জানি মধ্যে এটা ঘোষ পাওয়ার লাগে or it and it has a 3-pin যে audio something jack 3.25. I don't know. I don't care. I think the pop filter might be a little big. এখন সব কিছু সেট আপ করে নিয়ে যে মক আপ দিছি আর কি it sags apparently I have to be closer or that shit has to be closer whatever it is. This is me talking directly into that condenser mic. This is me talking a bit far away. This is me even farther away for a condenser mic, but I'm looking at it. This is me looking at the camera and trying not to figure out that. Whatever. At least the four. Face. Huh? Hey, auto camera face detection or Sam jantam na that? I think I should use this more. Yes, I know. I don't. Let me see if I can get the flash on. And the flash doesn't work because apparently I don't have any battery charge. That's it. This is your test. She sells seashells by the seashore. Papa Paka Pepe Khay. Papa Papa. Papa Paka Pepe Pepe. Papa Papa. Pakhi Papa Auto. Pakhi Papa Pakhi. What?
Pakhi Paka Pepe Khay.
Pakhi Paka Pepe Khay. There you go. I suck. Have fun.